Despite of the significant change in the palm oil industry management, negative issues still widely appear in the global community discussions. Unfortunately, many comments and discussions are not objective, nor sufficiently supported by reliable and representative facts and data. Therefore, we name the summer course is the Inclusive and Sustainable Palm Oil Industry. This is a joint activity between Universitas Sumatera Utara and a French agricultural research institution, CIRAD, funding by a French bank, AFD. The summer course started in 2022 as part of CSSBU and CIRAD partnerships that has been established in 2015. It is designed as annual activities involving students from palm oil producing and consuming countries. In 2023, 32 students and 6 lecturers from 13 universities and 5 countries joined the second summer course. They come from various backgrounds, including agribusiness, plantation technology production, natural resource and environmental management, agriculture innovation and management, forestry, economics, and social science in all degree, bachelor, master, and doctoral. The course is designed in 4 forms. The first one is online meeting and classes, second one is offline classes, field work, and the last one is group sharing session. Online meeting was conducted for coordination and engagement. The summer course started with online classes explaining and discussing about the concept of inclusivity and sustainability by Diana Halil, the head of Magister Agribusiness Study Program and the founder of Consortium Studies on Smallholder Palm Oil. This is followed by offline activities conducting in Batubara, North Sumatra, one of the oil palm centers. The offline classes topics are delivered by various stakeholders, including from the government, the company, and the academicians. The topics are followed by enthusiastic discussion and group assignments, supervised by lecturers from participating universities. The fieldwork covers both observations of inclusive and sustainable management in smallholding and companies and their surrounding environment. The first impact that can be directly observed from this summer course is the improvement on the participants' knowledge about the inclusivity and sustainability, particularly in palm oil industry. The second impact is the improving of the participant knowledge on the complexity of the industry and their perceptions on the inclusive and sustainable palm oil industry. The most important impact is the increase in participants' awareness to be part of the sustainability movement. Hand in hand in their warm friendship is a big hope to be spreaded from these groups of the future leaders. These programs receive very positive and encouraging supports from all participants, the talent hosts, supervisors and lecturers, NGOs, and of course the students.
When we decide to design the talent program, our idea was to revitalize the teaching in agriculture and forestry in Southeast Asia, not reinventing the wheel, not doing a new master or new series of masters from A to Z. No, we just want to change a few things, putting a bit more sustainability in the curriculum.
The method of this summer course use is really engaging the students. What we learn here is experiential learning, if you have heard that kind of learning. Experiential learning is actually a kind of moving towards a lifelong learning. When they gain the knowledge from the experiential learning, they can use it in order to pass it over to the next generations and next generations.
And my perception of oil palm is always about clearing land, it's about monoculture, it's not great for biodiversity. But I guess through this course I see how it directly affects the livelihood of a lot of farmers. it has the social element and social aspect to it that cannot be neglected. So even though we want to protect environment and promote sustainability, it has to be balanced with a lot of other priorities and considerations. I think that's my biggest takeaway.
For the sustainability and inclusivity in the palm oil production, it is really important that we include these aspects so that not only the other supply chain players, but most especially the farmers, they will benefit from this area, so that they have sustained practices amidst the environmental and social issues happening in the palm oil production, as well as it is also good that we include the farmers. We always consider them foremost, so that they can really improve their operations, and then they can have greater profits in their operations for palm oil.
I find this program very interesting because of the field work that we get to do. We get to interact with the farmers and the smallholders, and from that we really get to know what they do and what kind of challenges they face and what kind of help they would need or incentives that would benefit them. And I find this very insightful to my field, especially because in soil science I don't really learn about the outside world. Like, I only care what's under the ground for my research, but this is definitely helpful for my research in a way that I can gear my own study to see how it can intersect with the socio-economic side of palm oil or oil palm industry.
What we done now, it will continue by the youngs, because we all know the forest, the nature, we not exactly inherit from our mom, but we borrow from our grandchild.
So, join us to continue this effort in being part of the movement towards the inclusive and sustainable palm oil industry.
Palm oil summer course.